Picture this, a city where every building is a garden, cars are a thing of the past, and your morning commute is a walk in the park. Sounds too good to be true? Well, that's the promise of Sustainable Development Goal 11. Welcome, everyone, to a whirlwind tour of SDG 11, the blueprint for cities of the future. This isn't just another urban fantasy. It's about making our cities inclusive, safe, resilient, and most importantly, sustainable. So strap in and let's go city hopping into the future. First stop, understanding what SDG 11 really means. Think of a city as a living organism. Housing, like cells providing structure. Transportation, akin to blood vessels enabling movement. The environment, our city's lungs, purifying the air. SDG 11 is about keeping the city organism healthy, where every part serves its purpose, none is neglected, and the whole system thrives sustainably. But why is SDG 11 so crucial? Well, our urban areas are soon going to house almost 68% of the world's population. Cities are major contributors to GDP, and unfortunately, CO2 emissions. But here's the good news. Cities that prioritize sustainable development could save a whopping $17 trillion by 2050. All right, time for a peek at the best practices. Here's how some cities are nailing it. Over in Vancouver, they're going for compact housing to reduce urban sprawl, making public transport more efficient. In Melbourne, they're on a green mission, increasing canopy cover through an ambitious urban forest strategy. In Copenhagen, people are trading in their cars for bikes, becoming a bike capital. And San Francisco, they're aiming for zero waste by 2030. Let's talk about the road bumps. Of course, there are financial constraints, policy roadblocks, and sociocultural considerations. But hey, who said transforming the world was going to be easy? Now, let's jet over to see SDG 11 in action in developed countries. Copenhagen, working to be carbon neutral. Amsterdam, making biking the new normal. Vancouver, pushing the boundaries of green building. Sydney, integrating digital technology to optimize resources. It's a puzzle, with each piece adding to the sustainable picture. So, what's our role in all this? Each one of us can make a difference. Whether it's switching to public transport, supporting local initiatives, or advocating for sustainable policies. Remember, every small step can lead to a big change. Okay, you might have some questions now. Like, why is SDG 11 so important? How can you contribute? What does a sustainable city look like? Is it even achievable? The answers aren't simple, but they're hopeful. SDG 11 isn't just possible, it's happening. To sum it up, sustainable cities are more than an environmental necessity. They are the key to a prosperous, equitable future. Every step we take towards sustainability is a step towards a better future. It's a journey we're all on together, for our planet, our cities, and our communities. There you have it, folks. A glimpse into the future of our cities and how we can make it a reality. Sure, the road is long, but with our concerted efforts, we're paving the way to sustainable, inclusive communities. Are you ready to be a part of this journey? Because every step counts. Let's make our cities a place not just to live, but to thrive. Now, how about that walk in the park?